If you're feeling burned out and thirsty, no matter how much water you're drinking, this is going to be the best video for you because I'm going to teach you how to actually hydrate your body when you're under a lot of stress. If we haven't met yet, hello, I am Lindsay Christian and I help women recover their bodies from burnout through the power of sacred pleasure. Now in this video, I covered all about how burnout causes dehydration. So if you want to learn more about the science behind that, then definitely check that out. Let's dive into these hydration hacks when you're going through burnout. Number one is going to be minerals. So be sure to add a little pinch of some Celtic salt or Himalayan salt into your water. That will help your body to absorb the water that you're drinking. You can also use electrolyte powder or trace minerals. Be sure to choose a clean brand, not something that's loaded up with a whole bunch of sugar. And also coconut water, which is nature's Gatorade. Hack number 2, eat your water. Cucumbers, citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens all provide water with minerals for better absorption. Not only that, pairing the fiber with the water creates a slow release of hydration to your cells. Hack number 3, breathe while you sip. When you practice slow sipping with deep belly breaths, this will activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode in your body, which activates better absorption of the water and hydration, and also helps your body to heal on a maximized level. Hack number 4, cut out the dehydrators. We want to reduce so much of the coffee, the sugary drinks, the alcohol. Let's opt for maybe an herbal infusion. The great herbalist for some amazing teas is down below. You can check out Haya Herbs. Her teas are absolutely amazing and they're so nourishing for your body, and you're having a nice sip along the way. Hack number 5, pleasure infuse your hydration. You can make hydration beautiful by adding in some beautiful flowers that are edible, some fruits, maybe some herbs, just to elevate the water and treat it as a ritual. And why this is so important is that when you feel pleasure, the nervous system feels safe, and this allows for the body to absorb the water even better. So some signs that your body is finally hydrating is you may notice that your skin looks more plump or more glowy or radiant. You have more sustained energy, less midday crash, and your mood is more balanced and you have better digestion. And you might be asking, how much water should I drink a day? However many pounds you are, cut that in half, and that is how much your body needs in ounces. So for example, if you're 150 pounds, then your body will need about 75 ounces of water per day. That's without working out, okay? But if you're hydrating your body properly with hydrating foods and getting minerals and all of that, your body's going to be able to retain that moisture and hydration a lot more. If you found this information to be helpful for you, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the She Sacral community.